Howdy historians, I've got some AP review and checklist stuff that I want to go over with you today. So we're starting here on the bulletin board section. Just if you get on here, my man, Mr. Dawson sent me this cool thing, National Cram Session for AP US History. Now the time isn't great. It's Saturday, May 8th from 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. But pretty cool. You can check out the info here. Basically, you can call in, you can check it out, you can watch it and see this massive national cram session that they do for AP US history for an hour. So pretty cool. You can check that out. All right, as always, make sure you're checking out the announcements so that way you know our schedule moving forward. And this is kind of going with Monday, May 4th, because I want to show you a new topics page and then one thing in there. So if you go here, you can see 2020 virtual AP test information. Pop in there, scroll down. First thing I want to show you, there's an AP exam video explanation playlist. Now, if you go to this and you watch it in YouTube, you'll be able to see that there's a playlist here of everything you need to know basically for the AP test. All right, so it'll take you through and you can just go on there and it'll go, oh, here, let me just go to playlists. All right, about AP 2020 exams. There you go. All right, there's the playlist. They've got a walkthrough, prep, rules, leaders in support, and then review lessons. All right, so there's some really good stuff in here. I'm going to highly encourage you to watch this walkthrough as we get closer to our actual exam date. All right, so that's one thing I just want to show you is that video set is there. All right, then there's something I want you to look at today. There's this testing guide that has a lot of details about what's going on with the AP tests. Here's the DBQ rubric. You're going to watch a video about that for Tuesday/Wednesday. But this is something I want you to look at today, aka Monday, May 4th, 2020 AP Exam Day checklist. Okay. Now, first things first, when you look at this portion up here, all right, you're going to get an email 2 days before our AP test that's going to give you some of this information, okay? So this part right here, your 8-character AP ID, says you can find this on your exam confirmation email, your exam e-ticket, or on My AP, okay? So you can get it from your email if you have the exam confirmation email. You can go to My AP and get it, or you're going to get this e-ticket 2 days before the AP test, and that information will be there as well, okay? A lot of this information will also be on there too, the exam date, the local check-in time, and the start time. Our test is Friday, May 15th. All right, but again, in the e-ticket you get, which you can see here, again, they're talking about you must click your e-ticket, all right, 30 minutes before exam time. You'll get that e-ticket 2 days before, so on May 13th, you'll get your e-ticket. Now, these are some of the things I want you to look at. Am I ready to test, all right? Now, obviously, you just want to make sure that you know some of these things, so that way you're ready for it when the time comes. You don't want to be doing these things a day or two beforehand. Start to look over it now. Okay, more things here about how to test, and then here's some information about what's going to happen during the exam and after the exam. Okay, so just kind of look over this sheet today. I think it's going to be very helpful for you as you can start to understand how the AP test is going to play out. I also think it would be good to go through some of these videos, especially this one. That's the exam walkthrough. All right, really good video. I'll actually just pop this thing real quick into our topics page too, so that way you don't even have to click on it. All right, I'll just get all these in here so that way we don't have to click and find the playlist. All right, so just a quick little video here today for you. So today is Monday, May 4th when you're watching this. So really just wrapping up World War II. You're taking a 1-question quiz on World War II, and then you are coming over here and checking out that checklist, okay? Tomorrow I'll have a lot of information on the DBQ rubric, and some feedback, and then you'll be writing another DBQ to, again, get you ready for that AP test. All right, good job, guys. See you a little bit later.